Hi, today we're taking a quick look at how to use the PV500 display to troubleshoot your Elliott HiReach or Digger Derrick, specifically on the L50R, L65R, and D47i models. Before we begin, please remember, only trained and qualified personnel should perform these procedures. Always read, understand, and follow your manufacturer's instructions and safety rules, your employer's safety rules, worksite regulations, and all applicable governmental regulations. Make sure you have the appropriate tools, lifting equipment, and a suitable workspace. The PV500 display acts as the PTO and master power switch panel, a possible rear view camera monitor depending on your chassis, a switch panel for electrical accessories such as strobe lights or work lights, your primary system observation and troubleshooting interface. Step 1. Start up and access the display. Park your Elliott in a safe area. Start the chassis engine and engage the PTO and master power. Take note, the display will function without the engine running, but any engine information won't appear if the engine is off. Step 2. Access the menu. On the right side of the PV500 display, find the menu tab, tap it to proceed. Step 3. Enter diagnostics. From the menu, tap the hammer and wrench icon for diagnostics and troubleshooting. Step 4. Navigate with arrows. Use the blue arrows in the bottom corners of the screen to scroll through the diagnostic pages relevant to your model. Here are the diagnostic pages for L65R and L50R. Display diagnostics. This shows component communication and master power status. Chassis and engine interface. This shows PTO, engine, welder, and e-pump info. Switch inputs. Here you'll see proxy switch and A to B switch details. Machine geometry. This will show you the boom pitch, slew angles, platform pitch, and chassis angles. Hydraulic diagnostics. Here you'll find the pump mode and pressure readings. Electrical box fuse panel. Here you'll see fuse size and function. It doesn't indicate good or bad fuses. Boom up interlock troubleshooting. You'll find the state of boom up interlock components here. Boom unstow troubleshooting. Here you'll find the state of boom unstow components. Extended auto stow troubleshooting. Here you'll find the state of extended auto stow components. Here are the diagnostic pages for the D47i. Communication diagnostics. This shows the system communication status. Chassis engine interface. Here you'll find PTO, engine, and transmission data. Proxy switch inputs. This checks the outrigger proxies and ground contact. Above rotation I/O module. Here you'll find the status of inputs outputs above rotation. Operator keypad diagnostics. Here you'll find live keypad read at the operator console. Bumper keypad diagnostics. Here you'll have live keypad read at the rear bumper. Oil cooler. Here you'll see the hydraulic oil temperature, fan status, and fan amp draw. Electrical fuse box. Here you'll see the fuse size and function, but it doesn't indicate if a fuse is good or bad. And that's it. By exploring each of these diagnostic pages on the PV500 display, you can quickly pinpoint and troubleshoot issues on your Elliott L50R, L65R, or D47i. Thanks for watching this tech tip video. If you have any questions or need additional assistance, feel free to contact Elliott After Sales Support at 531-772-0829. Stay safe, and we'll see you again next time.